my mama playing golf for the first time in like 2 years. She's killing it. She also had a 2-level lumbar fusion, so
I feel
yeah.
so good.
Yep.
Lots of fun.
How's your back feel, Mom?
I'm okay.
Oh yeah.
Wow, first tee shot in at least 2 years. How are you feeling, Mom?
It's good.
We won't.
It's really fun right now.
Look good. Oh yeah, look good, sounded good. Excellent shot.
First tee, Rancho Bernardo win. 84 years young, look at that. Her pants match her ball. How adorable is that? Ooh, that was a nice one.
Good shot.
1, 2. Looks good. Beautiful.
Outfit too. Oh, that went
Oh my gosh.
really far down the middle.
Great shot, Mom.
How do you feel, Mom?
Good.
Great hit. Love you.
Bye.